Window furnishings retailer and manufacturing capacity, Philip ACT. Alexander's Furnishings manufactures and sells a range of window furnishings and offers an installation service. Established in 1969, the business has experienced stronger demand during 2020 and 2021. Boasting a busy location, there's free parking in front of the shop and no nearby competition. The showroom is convenient and central with excellent premises and a long lease. This sale includes all equipment, tools and stock, as well as a Mercedes Vito van and Toyota Corolla. With a growing population and above average disposable income, this business could be expanded to take advantage of future growth.